Hello, welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Sony Ericsson Xperia Active. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the Sony Ericsson Xperia Active. This was released back in 2011. Let's have a little look at it. It's supposed to be waterproof and dustproof, and it's supposed to be able to take a good beating. So here's the front of it. Here's the one side, the volume rockers and the camera button, and on this side you have the power button and the standby on and off as well. The bottom here you have some sort of loop if you want to put it around your neck, if you want to get a piece of lanyard, whatever it's called, and put it around your neck. You could do. And let me just show you. It's quite waterproof. I wouldn't risk it myself. It's got that layer there, and it's also got another layer as well. So we take that one off. Yeah, here's the battery. Obviously the SIM card's down in there. That's what it looks like in the back. Obviously you have the camera. I think that one there is a I'm not too sure what that one is. It was a torch or something. I don't know. Not too sure. But there's the battery, obviously, and all the other bits and bobs. And you have these pins here, which sticks onto here. That just goes back on there like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. Here we are. And then you would put this one down. And then you would put these things back on, like so. So it is quite secure for water. I don't think you'll be able to keep it in water for a long period of time, but shallow water, if you accidentally drop in a puddle or somewhere along them lines, you should be okay. Right then, let's power him on. Now to keep him finger on. Oh, it's coming on, it's coming on, it's coming on. There we are. You have all your apps here. The message on Vodafone. The radio. Clock. You'd have to put the headphones in though to use the radio, I should imagine. That's all of them. Let's have a look. At the Ringtones, if I can find them. Sounds, put into there. Phone ringtones. There's not too many on here, but we'll have a look at them anyway. Putting these two at the top here. And that's the classic Sony Ericsson ringtone. Obviously we've done them ones. Let's have a look if there's any music in the library. Memory card unavailable, so no it's not. So yeah, I'm not too sure if this one is rare or not, but I haven't seen many one like this before. So leave your comments and questions at the bottom. As always, you should have a settings you got there, screen lock sound, and what have you. So the camera, pretty good camera on this, I expect. It's not that old, like. Hang on, upside down. Yeah. No, the thing is over the lens now. Here we are, not too bad. For a mobile phone made in 2011. Not bad at all. So there's the camera. Just have another little look at all these app things we got here. Music, there's nothing on there. Gallery, won't be much on there. Nope, nothing on there. Alarm clock there. All your usual stuff. I've tried linking my Wi-Fi up to this using YouTube, but it says it's not, this doesn't support YouTube anymore. This is too old, this is, so. But I did try. And we have a game there. Not too sure what that is, but it's there anyway. 3D stuff. All different. It's quite a lot of stuff on here, like. Oh, you have a torch. Let me show you the torch in a minute. Flashlight. Not sure how we get to work now. There we are. He's on, as you can see. Ain't gonna be too bright now at the moment because it's light anyway. And there you are. A very nice phone. you've got your things here. You can just, oop, don't want that. Go away. Network error, we know that. Go on here and just like go on different things. That's your shortcuts. And that's your phone if you want to ring anybody or anything. Yeah. And there you are. That is the Sony Ericsson Xperia Active. And this was released, like I said, in 2011. So there's ring it now to see what will come up. Here we are. Should ring now in a minute. Anytime now. Let's give it a couple of seconds. There you are. And as always, guys, thank you very much for watching my channels as always, and thank you for the support. And I'll be back pretty soon with another video. But until then, thank you very much, and bye!